Hello all. So next we will discuss about pointer assignment. We can store a member address into a pointer variable using the assignment operator. So we can check with one example. Suppose we have one variable int x equal to 10. We have a pointer variable in star p. Then we can assign the value p is equal to address of x. Right. Now we are just print this value printf value of x. We can tell percentage d. We can access through variable also. We can access through pointer also, right? So we can tell star p. And here please put one new line also. Then we will run, we will get 10 and 10, right? So suppose we have another pointer star q. Okay, here we are telling q is equal to p. So p contains address of x, and we are assigning this p to q. Now q and p both contains address of x only, right? So we will get x value using q also. So here we can tell percentage d, and here we can tell star q. Then we will run this. Now we are getting 10, right? Suppose we can print the address also. Printf address. Percentage p address of q also. We will run. So we need to put slash new line. Okay, so the address are same only, right? So directly we here we are assigning q is equal to p only, right? So this way we can assign the pointer. Okay, but just imagine we are telling like star q is equal to star p. That means we are assigning the values only. Okay, so this is different. So suppose here one more variable y equal to 20. Okay, now we will tell q is equal to and y. Okay, so these addresses are different only now. Okay, so now we will run. So these addresses are different, right? Y content y is 20 only, but here we are telling star q is equal to star p. So that's why we are getting 10 here. We can comment this. We can run once more. Now you can see we are getting 20 because here we are using star q only, right? So now we are getting 20. But here we are telling we are assigning the value of p to q, right? Now we will run, we will get 10. Okay, thanks for watching.